important. Then we have the population. Under population, demographic dividend of India. Now, since the last census was 2011, the 2011 census and the facts are still being asked, so very important. However, the recent update for the census has been released. So what have been the update for 2027? Again, we have covered that in a separate lecture. Extremely important for your upcoming lectures, so don't miss it. Then from the section on urban geography, smart cities and our urban clusters. Now the concept of our urban clusters, where we focus on sustainable urban planning, the tech driven planning, economic opportunities, sustainability within the urban areas are some of the major ideas. New census, as we already talked about, is an important topic. From the geographical thought section, the focus is on Indian schools of geographical thought. Extremely important, the Plakshadweep, the deep theories, and then the concepts like modernism, postmodernism, structuralism, feminism are some of the most important and upcoming topics. From geomorphology, slope development, the cycles of slope development, Wood, King, and even Seviger. Seviger development model actually described the slopes through the evolution of the cycle of parallel retreat. So the waxing, the constant, and the waning slopes, very important for your upcoming examination. And Wilson's model. Now Wilson's model we have already covered in detail. Plate tectonics, continental drift theory are some of the very standard questions for your paper. And of course, if you want to dive into the details of those are available in the postal series link below. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.